It's relatively soft soil compared to what we have over on the other side. Lots of rocks. Thank goodness. Hopefully it's that way all the way up. It probably won't be. So one of these is going to be for the water. Then on the other side of that dirt pile, there'll be another one that'll be for the sewer. You got to be 3 feet deep. Jacob's marked on his Mini X where 3 feet is, so that he knows where it is. That way he's not digging so deep. Little Mini X is kind of in a lifesaver with all this digging and trenching that we've had to do.